Hello there! Today I have a short video for you explaining why I have started my home and garden channel and why I love working outdoors so much. So please stay tuned. It started a few years ago when I purchased the equipment to start making videos, but never made one video. I was always too shy or felt like I was going to be judged by, from making these videos. But in April, I took a class and this person encouraged me to just start. So I did. So if you go back to my first video and watch it, it's pretty much a mess. It's not that I'm perfect now, but I feel like I am getting better at it all the time with editing, with telling my story, and it's something that is becoming easier for me over time. But I have a predicament now. I'm not sure if I should continue with my gardening videos or just home and garden in general. And I started this home and garden channel so that I could give advice to buyers and sellers on how to purchase a home or how to sell their home, how to prepare their home for sale. I started it right in the middle of a pandemic, and it has come now, it has actually made me start to think how much it has really helped me deal with everything that's going on in our community. Not only do we have COVID-19, we have people infected in the community and dying, we have fires, we have political issues, and really that can all be very overwhelming. So you know what I do? I put on my gardening gloves and I start working in my yard, and really just nature alone has really pretty much saved me. Just being outside and getting my vitamin D, noticing more about nature, and wanting more beauty in my yard. So my point is, do you enjoy watching home and garden videos, giving you advice on what to do to purchase a home or to sell your home, or do you just love the gardening, or do you want both? So it's your decision. Please leave a comment below after the video and let me know, because really it's about what you want, not about what I want. So thank you and enjoy the video.